Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Check your ticket for baggage allowance before you leave for the airport. Often the allowance is 15 kg for domestic or 23 kg for international travel. Confirm the size limit of 158 cm total dimensions for your checked bag. Weigh your bag at home to avoid last-minute excess charges at the counter. Keep your government ID and booking reference ready on your phone or printed paper. Arrive at least 2 hours early for domestic and 3 hours early for international flights. Approach the Indigo check-in counter with your ID and booking reference in hand. Tell the agent your flight number and how many bags you want to check in. Place each bag on the scale when the agent asks to confirm weight. If your bag exceeds allowance, the agent will calculate excess fees and offer payment options. After payment, the agent prints a baggage tag and attaches it securely to your bag. The agent then gives you a baggage receipt for tracking at the carousel. Hold onto the baggage receipt the agent gives you until you retrieve your bag at your destination. Inspect the luggage tag to ensure it shows the correct destination code and flight number. Ask the agent for a fragile sticker if you have delicate items that need careful handling. Note any special handling requests on the tag or in the system with the agent. At the arrival carousel, present your baggage receipt to staff if your bag is delayed or misrouted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.